Hey, good morning everybody. I'd like to welcome you to another exciting episode of Saltwater Fishing TV. Today's episode, we have two very special guests. We got my niece Kayla and my nephew Andres. And today we're fishing right here off La Jolla, and we're probably going to work our way offshore looking for pelagic species such as Yellowtail, Dorado, tuna, yellowfin, bluefin, swordfish, marlin, you name it. We're just gonna get after it. So first thing we did today, we got some live bait. We got anchovies today, pinhead, tiny little guys, but they're great for chum. And we're gonna try to catch some mackerel right now. Sometimes these dolphins right here, they're splashing around, they're hunting for fish too. So that's an indicator to me that there could be some bait around here. So we're gonna try around here, see if we can catch some mackerel and work our way up the food chain here on Saltwater Fishing TV. Whew.
You know how long that fish goes?
You get a bite?
I think my line is just old. Might not be very good.
Really? You need one of mine.
How long is line good for?
Like a year?
Yeah, it's way old then.
That's all it is. Yeah, put it about halfway. I'm marking something down there. About 40 feet. Oh, hook up. No. They hook a rock.
I remember one time we were out, Sergio,
Yeah.
and like they were saying like over the radio or something, and we were like, no way, and then you're like, yeah, no, I just caught a mermaid.
Those anchovies are super delicate, man. You gotta like really hook it really lightly on the nose. Yeah. Oh, well, it helps a little bit too. Like what I like to do is cast it a little bit to the front of the boat because it's always drifting that way. So like sometimes it's better like if it's straight up and down. Like it just.
So like what is that, seaweed?
Yeah, seaweed. You on?
I think so.
Hell yeah. Just keep it tight. Yeah. Oh. Keep going.
No.
Came off?
Yeah, I took the.
Took the anchovy.
Yeah.
Cool. It's the baby one.
Toss it back.
Yeah. You have to be 14 inches to be legal. See that thing. Nice, dude. Go fish. Yo, just checking in. We're going offshore now. We got 3 mackerel, got a couple of calico bass, and now we're gonna see what's in store for us offshore. Let the hunt begin. Got some Riso dolphins here. They're extra large dolphins migrating. Not sure where they came from. What's up, everybody? Just checking in with you guys. We're on like Paddy number 8 now. Usually it's around number 9 or 10. Persistence is key. You gotta check every Paddy when you're out here. Even if it's small, they can still hold fish. And the reason why you're doing this is because fish love structure. Any type of structure, fish aggregate around them. So let's try it out here and see what happens. Yes, sir. Get on, Dad. Get him. Good sight, bro. Nice. Live action, baby. Found a kelp patty with fish here. We got the anchovy right here on 25 pound test. I'm keeping the boat in gear right now. Make sure that thing doesn't go in the kelp. That's what they. Yeah. Nice, dude.
It's running.
Oh, it's probably in the kelp.
Can I increase this?
A little bit, not too much. It's only 25 pound test.
Yeah.
You got hooked up to the kelp instead?
I think it went into the kelp.
Yeah, I think so.
We're gonna have to go over there and kind of try to get it out. See, definitely got one though. Maybe it swims out. Sometimes you could give it some line and it'll swim out. Sometimes you could just force them out too. Which is looks like what you're doing there. Looks like it almost got out a little bit there. Dang good, man. Just keep it up. We got a little circle hook on there. I think we got a number 6 size circle hook. Match the hatch. Use smaller hook baits for your bait if you got smaller baits. If you got bigger baits, use bigger hooks. Oh yeah, looks like you got him out, man. He's coming, he's coming.
I think I saw something. Oh yeah, I see him.
Yep, there it is.
Alright, let me get the thingy.
Looks like a yellowtail.
Little yellowtail. Wing here. Oh yeah!
Nice.
Free spool?
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Alright guys, we got a nice little kelp patty yellowtail here. Hooked perfectly in the corner of the mouth. See, that's what these circle hooks are good for. Even though a lot of people like J hooks, but these work great too, even for yellowtail. Yeah, stoked. We got dinner. Oh man, watch out! Watch out now! Watch out now! Let's see. We got a mess
Here,
here.
I got it.
Here.
Yeah.
All right. Sorry for the delay, but look at that beautiful specimen. It's about 8 pounds, 8 pound fish. Perfect eating size fish. I Andres did an excellent job getting that thing out of the kelp. Good job, Andres.
Thank you.
Yeah. Here's your fish. Well, make sure you don't drop it.
Yeah, got it.
All right. Yeah, look at that thing. Beautiful. Good job, man. Alright guys, not sure if you can see it, but there's a bird right here dipping around. That's a perfect indicator of fish. Birds are always looking for bait fish, and the predator fish are always underneath pushing the bait fish up. So that's one thing to look for. You want to look for these thicker kelp patties that are out in the middle of nowhere. Right now we're in the middle of nowhere. The location is top secret, I can't tell you. But yeah, we got the yellowtail here. Boom, got it bleeding right now perfectly. And that's for quality. That's for quality assurance on your fish. When you bleed them out, it just tastes way better, less fishy. Highly recommend it. Let's get some more, guys. Woo. Fish on. And the anchovy, 25-pound test.
There you go. Yeah, that's a big one. That's a nice one.
But he's not swimming.
Oh.
Or well, a little bit.
You gotta finesse these fish when you're fishing the light tackle. And also be careful, because a lot of times they like to go into the kelp. So it's a good idea. Always try to steer their head away from them. I mean, from that kelp patty there. Oh yeah, that's a beauty.
Can you see it?
Not yet. It's pulling drag. That's why it's still so
Oh,
bad.
yeah. Yeah, I don't like trying to shoot there. That's what-
Oh man, I love it. It's so nice to fight a fish again. Offshore. I haven't fought a fish offshore in a long time, dude.
Really?
Yeah, usually it's at the islands or La Jolla
Nice.
recently. And it's shallow water, so right here they can go down as far as they want.
Yeah.
There's no bottom here. So just take your time, enjoy the fight when you're out here. Offshore kelp patty fishing. It's a beautiful thing. Woo! Little head bob.
Oh, I see him. I think I see him.
No,
Yeah, I see something in there.
oh, that's bait.
Oh.
Pretty shiny though.
Ah, I got it. Don't worry.
Okay. Well,
You
What?
gotta catch it solo?
he's used to it.
You got it.
Professional.
Yeah. You got a bait out?
No, I was just keeping an eye on
Yeah,
it.
just try to catch a fish, man. Don't worry about me. I got this under control. Oh man, I got color. Got some nice color here.
Nice yellowtail.
Yeah, nice little yellowtail. Oh yeah. Chill out. Yes, sir. Oh yeah, so the gap isn't like that. There we go. You. Yellowtail. Little baby yellowtail, but yep, good eating. They eat just the same. Hell yeah. Stoked. Get some more, boys. Get to work.
My turn.
Kayla's turn now. That's number 2. Seasickness. That's a tough thing. That it's terrible when it actually happens to you. It's kind of funny when it's not happening to you, but yeah, it's terrible. It's the worst feeling in the world. My recommendation to fight seasickness is always look at the horizon, stay vigilant, keep your eyes always on the horizon or land if you see land if possible. What else can I say? don't look down for too long. When you're looking down, it's a mental thing. Your orientation gets thrown off, and you're kind of more in tune with the ocean. You have to always know where the equilateral line is on Earth. That's the key thing to fight seasickness. You can get a patch. The ginger also is supposed to be good for that. Saltine crackers, another thing. 7-Up, a lot of things. But terrible. All right, we found another kelp patty. We'll give it a shot here. What's up, everybody? I'm checking in. I'm here by the world famous Coronado Island. We got the 2 Yellowtail offshore on the kelp patties, and we couldn't find anything else. We stopped on about maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5 more kelp patties, no luck. And right here we are. We're gonna start trolling around, see if we catch a yellowtail. The quality of the fish here are much better, higher grade, bigger fish. So you want to keep your lines pretty close to your boat, not too far out, if not they'll rock you. Give it a shot here. Saltwater Fishing TV. Line is going out. Got the Nomad DTX 150. See if we get one. Fish on. I thought I had something on here.
Alright.
I was just trolling and got this huge calico. Wow. It's actually not huge, but it is super size. Oh. Yeah. Alright. We got a fish on the boat. Calico. Whitefish. The whitefish, these are good to eat too. I don't like them that much, but they're okay. Yeah. Just jigging the bottom. There you go. It's like a miniature yellowtail. Alright, cut. That's it, that's all, folks. We got a couple of yellowtail on the boat. We got a bunch of people coming in here. Thanks for tuning in, liking, subscribing. Keep checking in on the channel, and we're gonna keep on catching fish. Never give up. Live the dream. Yo, fish on.